Hello, my name is Jamie, and I'm on the AI track for Drupal CMS. Since Barcelona, we've made significant progress with the agents that you saw in the Dries note last time. They work across all the features you would expect for content types, fields, and taxonomy, but we weren't able to get views or migrate agents in for version 1. We've added a review step, and the agents give you a lot more detail on what they've done to make sure that everything is a lot safer and they do exactly what you're looking for. We've improved the install process, and I'm going to show you that soon to get you going very quickly. And we've tested it with real people who don't know Drupal. Emma is going to give an update on what she saw through doing those tests. Now, the first thing you're going to see is in the installer, you are able to select the option of that you would like AI support. It's going to set up your site and take you to the dashboard. By clicking Set Up AI, you go to this very simple page where you can pick which provider you want, put in your API key, and once you click Set Up AI, there you go. You can start using it. In order to show off our new review steps and the more detailed description of what it's done, we're going to go and repeat something that happened at Barcelona. We're going to add an image field to our wine tours. Now you can see that the first thing is it actually asks us if we want the agent to go and just do it for us, or if we would prefer to have step-by-step instructions to do it for ourselves. This could help us learn how to use Drupal and how to do this ourselves next time or similar places. But for now, we're going to ask the agent to go ahead and go and just do it. And now we can see that we have added a new logo to the Wine Tours page, and actually gives us links of places around the site where we can change display mode, change the field settings, and it's described it for us. But also, we may not enable this by default in Drupal CMS, but there's this new details. If we click on that, we can actually see the detailed description of what it's done, written by Drupal. And that means developers will be able to go and have a log of exactly every single change that has been made. If we go along and try and create something, we'll see, let's say, Barcelona. We add the logo. We see there that we have the alt text that we can generate with AI. So I'm going to save this, my wine tour. And we can now see that that image has actually been added to the view mode, whereas before it didn't support all features. And so this will really help make sure that these AI agents can actually do exactly what you're looking for, can describe it in detail, and help you feel safe with them. We took all of these agents, and we tried it out with some real developers. I'm going to now hand you over to Emma, because with the UX team, we've actually tested these agents now with real people who don't know anything about Drupal and wanted to use it. And she's going to give you some updates on how that went.
So here are a couple of things that I think were really exciting from the tests. So for context, the people I was testing with were people who were not Drupal site builders or developers. So the admin interface was pretty unfamiliar. And until the test began, they weren't aware that the tests were related to AI. They didn't know that before they came in, because I was really interested to see how they would naturally respond to having the AI agent there to use. So in the test, when they're using the Drupal AI agent, I saw how they liked the instructions that it gave them to be able to follow to do the tasks. And that helped them to achieve stuff in Drupal they would have otherwise had to work out for themselves. So it was like the agent was helping them learn Drupal in real time. And some of them made this connections themselves to recognize the value, which was amazing. And then when they started to realize that they could just get the agent to do the tasks for them on their behalf, it was great to see them giving this a go and getting to trust it as they realized what it could do as they went to check the changes that it had made and saw that it had been successful. And as we went through the tasks in the test, you could see the curiosity building, both related to what the agent and Drupal could do, which was really heartening to see. And as we iterated through different rounds of testing, making the tweaks based on the feedback, you could see how the agent was getting better and better really quickly. to be able to serve the participants, and how participants who've been maybe a bit skeptical about what the agent could do were really impressed by what they experienced when the tests were completed. So yeah,